Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to continue exercise 4b from question number 6. Question number 6 is again expand and simplify each of the following. Part A is 4u minus 3 bracket 2u minus 5v bracket close. Let's start our solution. First of all, we have to open the bracket. 4u minus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 6u. Okay, then minus multiply. I told you whenever the minus outside the bracket, it will change the inner sign. This plus 2u will become minus plus minus 6u, and minus plus 3 multiplied by 5, 15v. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to arrange the like terms that are already arranged. 4u minus 6u. Okay, 4u minus 6u, it will become plus minus, so it will become what? 2u, but with negative sign because bigger number carries minus sign. 15v will come as it is because there is no other term to solve this. So the simplest form for part A is minus 2u plus 15v. Now move on to part B. Part B is minus 2a minus 3 bracket a minus b bracket close. Okay, first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the bracket. Minus 3 multiply with a, it will become minus 3a. Okay, and then this minus will multiply with this minus plus, and 3b will come here. Okay, now like terms are already arranged. We are going to solve this one. Minus plus, so it will become 5a but with negative sign. Okay, and then plus 3b. So this is the solution for part B. Now move on to part C. Part C is 7m minus 2n minus 2 bracket 3n minus 2m bracket close. Okay, let's start solution by opening the brackets. Okay, 7m minus 2n will come as it is. Now minus 2 multiplied by 3n, it will become minus 6n. Okay, then minus 2 multiply by this minus 2m. So it will become what? Plus 4m. Okay, now we have to arrange the like terms. 7m plus 4m. 7m plus 4m. Then minus 2n minus 6n. Minus 2n minus 6n. So it will become what? 7 plus 4, 11m. Minus again we have to add. It will become what? 8n, and sign is minus. Why? Because minus we will go for addition, but sign is negative with the answer. Okay, so the simplified form of part C is 11m minus 8n. Okay, now move on to part D. Part D is 5 bracket 2x plus 4 bracket close minus 3 bracket minus 6 minus x bracket close. First of all, we have to open the brackets. We will multiply 5 with 2x, it will become 10x, and then 5 with 4, it will become plus 20. Okay, now we have to multiply minus 3 with minus 6. Minus multiply with minus plus, 3 6 are 18. Okay, again minus will multiply with minus x. Minus 3 will multiply with minus x, so it will become what? Plus 3x. Now we have to arrange the like terms together. 10x plus 3x. Okay, and then plus 20, and then plus 18. So the answer will become what? 10x plus 3x, 13x. Okay, and then 20 plus 18, it will become 38. So this is the simplified form for part D. Now move on to part E. Okay, part E is minus 4 bracket a minus 3b bracket close minus 5 bracket a minus 3b bracket close. Now we have to open the bracket first. Minus 4 multiplied by a minus 4a. Then minus 4 multiplied by minus 3 plus 12b. Then minus 5 multiplied by a minus 5a. Okay, and then this minus multiplied by minus 3b, it will become plus 15b. Now we have to arrange the like terms together. Minus 4a minus 5a, minus 4a minus 5a, and then plus 12b, and then plus 15b. Okay, so what will be the answer? Minus minus, we have to go for addition. Minus 9a, we will add and negative sign will come, and then plus 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 15 plus 12, it will become 27b. This is the answer for part E. Now move on to part F. Part F is 5 bracket 3p minus 2q bracket close minus 2 bracket 3p plus 2q bracket close. Let's start solution by opening the brackets. 5 multiplied by 3p, 15p. Okay. Then 5 multiplied by minus 2q, minus 10q. 5 2s are 10, and plus minus minus q will come as it is. Minus 2 multiplied by 3p is equal to what? Minus 6p. Okay. Minus plus minus 2 2s are 4, and q will come here. Now we have to arrange the like terms together. 15p minus 6p minus 10q minus 4q. You should be very careful with the signs. Now 15p minus 6p. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9, because plus minus minus we will go for subtraction. So it will become what? 9p. Positive 9, because bigger number carry positive sign. Now minus 10q minus 4q. So what we have to do? We have to add these two terms. It will become minus 14q. Because both the numbers are minus, so we will go for addition, but negative sign will come here. So the answer for part F is 9p minus 14q. Okay, now move on to part G. Okay, part G is x plus y minus 2 bracket 3x minus 4y plus 3 bracket close. Okay, let's start solving this question by opening the bracket. Okay, x plus y come as it is. Now minus 2, first of all multiply with 3x, then with minus 4, then with 3. Okay, so minus 2 when multiply with 3x, it will become what? Minus 6x. Okay, whenever the minus sign is outside the bracket, it will change inner all the signs. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Now minus multiply with minus 2 multiply with minus 4, it will become plus 8y. When you will multiply minus 2 with minus 4y, you will get plus 8y, because minus multiply with minus will become plus. Okay, now minus plus minus 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Okay, now we have to arrange the like terms, x and minus 6x. So x minus 6x, then plus y, and then plus 8y, and then minus 6. So x minus 6x means 6x minus 1 is equal to what? Minus 5x. Plus minus minus, and the sign of the bigger number will come minus 5x. Okay, plus 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 will come here. So 8y plus y is equal to 9y, and minus 6 will come as it is. So this is the solution for part G. Now, okay, part H is 3 bracket p minus 2q bracket close minus 4 bracket 2p minus 3q minus 5 bracket close. Okay, let's start solution. First of all, we have to open the brackets. 3 multiplied by p, it will become 3p. 3 multiplied by minus 2, minus 6q. Okay, now we are going to open this. This minus 4 will multiply with all the terms inside. Minus 4 multiplied by 2p, it will become minus 8p. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Okay, minus minus plus. So 4 3s are 12, and q will come. Okay, then minus multiply with minus, plus 4 5s are 20. Okay, now we have to arrange the like terms. 3p minus 8p. 3p minus 8p minus 6q plus 6q plus 12q and plus 20. Okay, 3p minus 8p. 8 minus 3 will become what? 5p. Plus minus minus. 5p and the bigger number carry minus sign, so it will become minus 5p. Okay, minus 6q plus 12 plus minus minus 12 minus 6 will become 6q but with positive sign. Bigger number carry positive sign. Here bigger number carry minus sign, so we will minus here. Write minus here. Here bigger number carry plus sign, we will write plus here. Okay, but whenever the plus and minus will come, we always go for subtraction. Okay, then plus 20 will come as it is. Okay, this is a solution for part A. Now move on to part I. Okay, part I is 9 bracket 2a plus 4b minus 7c bracket close minus 4 bracket b minus c bracket close minus 7 bracket minus c minus 4b bracket close. Okay, so don't be confused with the long expression, just you have to follow the pattern. First of all, we have to open the bracket. 9 multiplied by 2a, it will become 18a. Then 9 multiplied by plus 4b, it will become plus 36b. And then 9 multiplied by minus 7, it will become minus 63c. Okay, minus 4 multiplied by plus b, it will become minus 4b, and minus multiplied with minus c, it will become plus 4c. Okay, then minus multiplied by minus c, it will become plus 7c, minus minus plus, and then minus minus plus, and 7 4s are 28b. Okay, now we have to arrange the like terms together. So it will become 18a because there is no term that carries variable a. Now plus 36b. Okay, then minus 4b. Okay, then plus 28b. Okay, then we have to write the variable 6c terms, minus 63c. Okay, plus 4c and then plus 7c. Fine. 18a will come as it is. When we will solve this one, we will get plus 60. 36 minus 4, 32. 32 plus 28 will become 60. 60b. Okay. Then minus 63 and then plus 4. Minus 63 plus 4 will become what? It will become minus 59. Because bigger number carry minus sign. Now plus 7 plus minus minus 2, and then it will become 5 minus 52. Minus 52. So this is the solution for part I. Now move on to part J. Okay, part J is minus 4 big bracket 5, then small bracket 2x plus 3y bracket close minus 4 bracket x plus 2y bracket close, then big bracket close. Okay, don't confuse with the brackets. First of all, you have to open the smallest bracket and then the bigger one. Okay, so let's start our solution. Minus 4 will come as it is. First of all, you have to multiply this 5 with this one with 2x. It will become 10x, and then 5 with 3y, it will become 15y. Okay, then multiply minus 4 with x, it will become minus 4x, and then minus 4 plus 2y, it will become minus 8y. Okay, now small bracket we have opened. Now we have to solve the bigger one. So minus 4 will come as it is. Now 10, we have to arrange the like terms. 10x minus 4x plus 15y minus 8y. Okay, now minus 4 will come as it is. 10x minus 4x, it will become what? It will become plus 6x. Okay, plus minus minus, bigger term carry plus signs, plus 6x plus 15y minus 8. So it will become what? Plus 7y. 15 minus 8, your answer will be 7. So bracket will come here. Now we have to multiply this 4 with these two terms. Minus 4 multiplied by 6 plus 6, it will become minus 24x. And minus 4 multiplied by plus 7 plus minus minus 28y. So this is a solution for the last part of question number 6. Okay. Now in the next video we will do question number 8.